I'm so mad! I'm not giving up, and I'm not giving up. Hi guys! Welcome on my channel. Like, subscribe. Let's start it! Hi guys, my goat is dead now, and my kid is ball. And look at that dead body. What
What happened to your goat?
My goat?
Mm-hmm.
My goat is dead.
And what happened to him? What killed him?
One dog killed
Wild
him.
dog?
Because the goat growth body.
People dog?
People dog just kill my goat. And dogs like goat. And dogs near my mom. Because
They kill
Buy
them.
one.
Christian, you have to go feed them in a nipple buckle.
my kid
Mm-hmm. You have to go use baby bottle and feed them.
and feed my kid them.
Mm-hmm. You have to go use baby bottle and give them milk.
Okay. And take care of them in the yard.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's one yard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You angry?
I'm so mad! I'm not giving up, and I'm not giving up.
What you doing?
I'm picturing my goal.
The other baby kid them up there? Yes, them there. Are them not? Yeah, then did they come?
Starting. Dash.
Hmm?
I texted my kid them and
You good?
no.
You angry?
Yes.
You say you have on your clothes inside out and back and front.
16. I'm 16.
Go on, that's number one, go.
I'm number one. No. I got shovel! I got blue shovel with a blue handle! Come blue shovel! Yeah! Come blue shovel! Did this to that. Here, so. Stand right here. And then shovel to that. Oi! My goat have yellow teeth. Look my goat there. Look on board. See why then.
Mm. And they are grave digging. Where is there? What you say you want a while ago? What you tell me? Just tell me say you want a while ago.
Okay. And I'm gonna say, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today my goat is dead and I'm gonna take care of my kid and give them milk, okay?
Okay.
Started. One.
Start already.
Hi guys, my goat is dead and click this like button because I'm gonna give my kid them a milk and take care of them and I'm gonna pen them up. And then I'm making one hole for my goat to bury. My kid buried in that bush and dog just buried one kid. My goat have one kid and dog buried my kid, that's all. And I got two kids them. My goat is dead now. Wait, that's a look. You see blood. You see fly them in the blood on right on my goat. You see that white thing? That's the white thing.
The white thing that is belly that.
Oh, and them dead now. Cause I'm gonna take care of my kid.
Tell me what you just tell me a while ago.
Quick, turn around. Let me show you. Come follow me. Stop. We go pick up my goat then. We go pick up my goat. We go pick up my goat. Yeah. And put them in that there. That me big ready da. Da. Just maybe just fine time work. Da. The orange thing.
Hmm?
That's his green blood,
No, that's the poop.
No.
Yeah.
Oh. That's not the poop. That's his bay and that's why he fired off him off my goat bay. And my goat is in the I put some dirt back in there so okay? Me put one bush right. I'ma tell Dad put one bush right that's off that body, okay?
Okay.
Da! 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 Put one bush for my goat body and my goat will come back to life, okay?
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
And gosh, I want to tell that to tell people them to stop put the dog them in my yard them and kill my goat again and my kid too.
You see them?
Mm-hmm.
I got them I look for. Them smell it.
Them are sorry.
Yeah, them smell it. Them I look for it.
Them coming so right here so
No, put them up also.
this one will be have fun in that.
Come, you have to carry them with the other one them there. Are you are their mother now?
Okay, come on. Them know me and mama dad them. Them know me. Them just know me.
Take him out, take him out.
Take them out and come on.